So we decided to turn our basement into an Airbnb. This is what it was before. If you go down that hallway and make a left, that's the laundry room, which was pretty big. The right is the only bedroom down there. The bathroom was pretty well updated, so we decided to keep it how it was. So here's our plan for the living room and adding a bedroom. Just going to remove that little closet in the corner, frame a new closet and walls, remove the wall to access the kitchen, and then remove that door and hallway to open the space up a little bit. So I found this tile discounted at Home Depot for only 89 cents a square foot. It's called the Redwood Natural tile, and we used earth grout, which was kind of the same color as the wood look. We tiled the whole basement because we wanted it to be pretty bomb proof for being used as an Airbnb. So this was my first time laying this tile, and I made a mistake laying it with a 50% offset. The box recommend 1/3. It would have laid a little bit more flat, but it still worked out all right. These are the dimensions for the electric fireplace going in the living room. There wasn't a ton of space for cabinets in the kitchen. It's kind of a walkway, and typical base cabinets are 24 inches deep. So on the left side, I used 12-inch wall hanging cabinets and just built them on a toe kick. The inside is practically done, but we wanted to add an exterior door coming into the basement so I could keep these units separate. We rented a mini excavator. That's Kim the Beast on the Mini X there. Got the foundation laid out. I mixed all the bags by hand with the cement mixer. Now we're ready to cut out that exterior door. I had to pay a company to do this, but they wanted to charge me about $800 more to haul those slabs of concrete away. Those are about 8 inches thick. So we got the Bobcat, just dragged it out with a chain wrapped around it. Here's the final photos of the Airbnb. We paid a professional to take these photos. It's definitely worth spending a couple $100. It helps your listing stand out.